Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In the previous video, we have demonstrated how to create organization unit and organization unit group on DHIS2 demo instance. Today, we will demonstrate how to create organization unit group set on DHIS2 demo instance. As its name suggests, organization unit group set is a group of organizational unit group. Now, go to organizational unit tab and select organizational unit group set. You can search for organizational group set by clicking on the search bar and write the organizational name if already exists. But if you want to create a new organization unit group set, just click on the plus sign. This will take you to the page to fill the organizational unit group set information. Then, all you have to do is fill in the form accordingly. For example, we can create organization unit group set named as facility and add organizational unit group we have created so far. As the name section, write the full unit name of the organizational unit group set. Short name is typically an abbreviation of the full name. Code is a unique identifier that you assign to the organizational unit group set. As the description, write the description about the organization unit group set. If you select this checkbox, it means all organization units must be a member of a group within a group set. If you select this checkbox, the group set will be available to the analytics as another dimension. If you select this checkbox, a sub-organization unit will inherit the organization unit group property from the closest parent organization unit. Then, select organization unit group to be included within the group set. በመቀጠል ያስገባነውን መረጃ ሴቭ እናደርጋለን። ክሬት ያደረግነውን ኦርጋናይዜሽን ዩኒት ግሩፕ ሴት ገብተን ማየት እንችላለን። በተጨማሪ ያስገባነውን መረጃ ኤዲት ማድረግ እንችላለን። መርሳት የሌለብን ስምና አጭር ስም በኦርግኒት ግሩፕ ሴት ላይ አስፈላጊ መሆኑን ነው። በዛሬውና ባለፉት ቪዲዮዎች ኦርጋናይዜሽን ዩኒት ማኔጅመንትን አይተናል። ቀጣይ ቪዲዮ ዩዘር ማኔጅመንትን እናያለን። Thank you for watching. Unlock your potential and follow us for expert tips and exclusive learning videos.